When it comes to money, we all have questions and concerns. That's why here in Money Guru, we are giving you the answers straight from the experts. Hi mga Lodi, welcome to another episode of Money Guru. This March, in Fire Prevention Month, it is the perfect time to talk about keeping your home and loved ones safe. We often overlook the risks, but having the right protection can make a huge difference. Today we received a message from one of our Lodis asking about the right protection for him and his family. Let's watch this.
May tanong po ako. Narinig ko po yung tungkol sa insurance. Importante daw po na mayroon nun. Yung mga nasunugan dito sa amin, nakakuha sila ng pera dahil meron silang insurance. Ang kaso, maliit lang po yung kinikita naming mag-asawa. Meron po bang insurance na mura lang?
Interesting question, Lodi. To help us with this important topic, we have an expert who will share valuable insights on how we can protect ourselves and our homes with the right insurance, especially this Fire Prevention Month. Let's hear from our insurance expert, Jeric Carrascal.
Thank you, Sir John. To answer the question of our Lodi, gusto kong bigyang diin ang Fire Prevention Month as a timely reminder para mas maging mapagmatyag at siguraduhing ligtas ang ating mga tahanan hanggat maaari. Anytime pwedeng mangyari ang sunog at habang hindi natin ito laging maiiwasan, may mga pwede tayong gawin para protektahan ang ating sarili, mga ari-arian at mahal sa buhay sakaling may mangyaring di natin inaasahan. Diyan papasok ang Cebuana Luwilier Protect Max. Ito ay isang comprehensive insurance plan na makakatulong para protektahan ang pamilya at bahay nyo mula sa mga di inaasahang pangyayari o sakuna gaya ng sunog. Kasama dito ang mga sira ng pagkakasunog ng inyong bahay o ari-arian pati ang kapakanan ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. Ang maganda pa rito, 50 pesos lang, may up to 150,000 coverage ka na. With Cebuana Luwilier Protect Max, we make it easy for you. Makakuha ng sapat na proteksyon na hindi mabubutas ang bulsa mo. At Cebuana Luwilier, we offer affordable protection na swak sa pangangailangan mo. Dahil naiintindihan namin kung gaano ka-importante para sa inyo mga Lodi ang pagkakaroon ng peace of mind, especially during these uncertain times. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng abot kaya at bigating proteksyon, Protect Max is your go-to solution. With just a small investment, you can ensure that your loved ones are covered in case of emergencies. Protect yourself and loved ones with Protect Max. OMSIM na OMSIM!
Thanks for that, Jeric. It's reassuring to know that Cebuana Luwilier Protect Max can provide us with the protection we need, especially this Fire Prevention Month. So mga Lodi, don't wait for disasters to strike before you prepare. Make sure to secure your home and your futures with Protect Max today. It's never too early to start protecting what matters most. And remember, safety first, and always be ready. Don't forget to like and share so you're always updated on our Money Guru episodes. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.